All right, so next up we got Select Football. So, bit of a mess up on my end. I could not find two of the blasters that I promised. I have a storage unit with just tons of cards, so they're probably hiding somewhere. I have shelves and shelves of cards backed up, so what I'm doing here is I'm going to, I hope this makes it good, I'm gonna upgrade and do 3 mega boxes instead of 2, and a Chronicles Football mega box as well. And I feel like the value of the additional mega box should probably make up for the 2 blasters, but I just want to be thorough and make sure you guys aren't getting getting a raw deal out of it. So I hope that works out, and contact me if you have an issue with the missing blasters and the replacements. So. And also these are, it's a mix here. I got 2 of the red Prism Megas and 1 of the purple Megas. Did a lot of the purple ones, so I figured mix it up a little bit. Yeah, here we go. Oh, whoops, I messed this up. I copied too much. It was 33 slots. Give me 1 sec. All right, here we go. So to answer the question, who got the Chargers? That is Chad C. I'm going to copy and paste the results in chat. I'll read them off as well. All right, so Chad's got the Cardinals and Falcons. Mohammed has the Ravens. John R has the Bills. J.K. has the Panthers. Jen's got the Bears. Jake's got the Bengals. Andrew R's got the Browns. Jake's got the Cowboys. Michael B has the Broncos. Mohammed has the Lions. Brian has the Packers. Joe has the Texans. Michael has the Colts. Alfred's got the Jags. Jake's got the Chiefs and Raiders. Chad has the Chargers. Alfred's got the Rams. Andrew R has the Dolphins. Jake's got the Vikings and Patriots. Robbie's got the Saints. John has the Giants. Chad has the Jets. Jake has the Eagles. Joe has the Steelers. Brian's got the Niners and Seahawks. Cameron's got the Bucks. Michael B has the Titans. And Mohammed's got Washington Football Team. So best of luck to everyone. I hope we get some pretty good parallels here. Gonna start off with the 2 blasters here. I'll be sleeving a lot of cards because there's gonna be a lot of rookies pulled, so. Cam Akers. You got an orange Troy Aikman die cut, a blue die cut of Dak Prescott, and a Kyler Murray. Got a Brandon Ayuk, Justin Herbert. There we go. For the Chargers. Chase Claypool rookie. Got a blue die cut of Tyler Johnson. And a Michael Pittman rookie as well. Really love the look of these die cuts. DeAndre Swift rookie. Got an orange parallel of Chad Johnson. Got a Cam Newton turbocharged and an Alex Smith at the rack at the end of that pack. Got a Michael Pittman Jr. silver. Odell Beckham blue die cut, and Tyler Johnson. KJ Hamler rookie, Odell Beckham. Got an unbreakable refractor, Lawrence Taylor. Beautiful looking card. And a Devin Duvernay rookie at the bottom as well. Antonio Gandy Golden. Got a Jalen Hurts rookie and a Zach Moss rookie as well. Joe Reed. Got an orange of Russell Wilson. Got a blue die cut of Cam Akers. And a Clavon Chason rookie as well. Man, Robbie, yeah, probably Breeze. I mean, the Saints unfortunately do not have a lot of rookies on this product, so it's a kind of rough spot. I'm not sure I feel like they might have some linemen that's a rookie in this product. Cam Akers, Antoine Winfield, turbocharged Adrian Peterson, and Andrew Thomas rookie as well. Yeah, with the Saints, I think you're looking for die cut parallels, basically. Chase Claypool rookie. Oh, thought maybe this was a numbered card because it was backwards, but it's not. But it is an Edwards-Helaire blue die cut. So nice looking card there. And another Jalen Hurts rookie on top of that. Got a Chase Young orange die cut for Washington. There's the Saints, Michael Thomas, Hot Stars insert. And last blaster pack here. DeAndre Swift rookie. Got Ben Roethlisberger. James Robinson blue die cut. And a Tua rookie. And open up this Chronicles Mega. Tons of rookies in this product. Ayuk, Kenneth Murray, Zach Moss, got Antonio Gibson score refractor here. Chase Claypool rookie. Ayuk, this is a clear rated rookie. Like that card a lot. James Robinson, Antonio Gibson, Isaiah Simmons. And we have an elite at $8.99. Laviska Shenault. A Tua rookie. Here's Justin Herbert. Here's a Joe Burrow Optichrome. This is of the Legacy set. Jerry Jeudy, Antonio Gibson, and another Optichrome. This time it's a silver of Tua, so a couple nice QBs from that Legacy set. Darnell Mooney. Got Chase Young. Justin Jefferson, Dynagon rookie card. Jalen Hurts, Joe Burrow, and a Joe Burrow Clear Vision. Very nice for the Bengals. Justin Jefferson rookie, Colt Kmet, got Jordan Love score Optichrome for the Packers. Jake Fromm, Jacob Eason, got Jacob Eason Clear Vision, and a Gabriel Davis parallel there. Last Chronicles pack. And looks like we got some Prism here. Joshua Kelly, Chase Claypool, and the Prism Black is Jacob Eason for the Colts. Alright, on to the mega boxes. I'm gonna pop open this purple one first. Starting off with a purple Jordan Brooks for the Seahawks. Jerry Jeudy rookie as well. Yeah, Jacob Eason's definitely an interesting quarterback prospect. I think he might definitely have a shot to play, given who's ahead of him. Got a Mike Vrabel coach card. I don't know if I've seen this before. I wonder if it's short printed or something, or just you start running into it a lot. KJ Hamler is the purple there. Tyreek Hill purple. Drew Brees super turbocharged, not supercharged. And Antonio Gibson. John Elway purple. Got a white parallel Joe Thomas and a Zach Moss rookie. Don't believe the white is numbered. It is not. Nice looking card though. Jonathan Taylor, purple for the Colts. Edwards-Helaire, TJ Watt hot stars as well. Jake Luton, purple. Terrell Davis, unbreakable. Jeff Okuda, rookie as well. Zach Moss, rookie. LaMichael P. Ryan, purple for the Jets. And there we go. Justin Herbert, silver for the Chargers. Very nice card there. This is concourse level. Congrats, Chargers. Michael P. Ryan is the purple. I already said that, I believe. Damon Arnett. Got a purple Jalen Hurts. A Joe Burrow. And Justin Herbert. That is quite a pack right there. Congrats to everybody who hit one of those. Put this over here. Another Jalen Hurts. Derek Brown, purple rookie for the Panthers. Got a white die cut of Michael Thomas for the Saints. And Lamar Jackson rounds out that pack. Purple is Jake Fromm for the Bills. Turbocharged Lamar Jackson and another Jalen Hurts rookie card. So a lot of Hurts in this so far. Mega Box 2. Derek Brown rookie. Alright, we're on the reds. So Keyshawn Vaughn, red, die cut. Larry Fitzgerald, unbreakable. Oh, got cards falling off over here and slipping around. Really like the look of the red die cuts there. Got a tour rookie. Pat Mahomes, red. Got a Jonathan Taylor, silver. And Michael Thomas rounds that back out. Red of Russell Wilson, a Tua, and Gandy Golden as well. Joshua Kelly, die cut. Drew Brees, Hot Stars, and a Jalen Rieger rookie as well. Justin Jefferson rookie. Phillip Rivers, red die cut. And we got a numbered one. This is the first copper parallel I've pulled. It's DeAndre Hopkins. And this one is numbered to 355. I'm waiting to pull one of those. Gotta get more sleeves, burning through them here. Ben DiNucci rookie. Got Aaron Rodgers, red die cut. Adam Thielen, silver. And Anthony McFarland Jr. rookie card. Got a Devin Duvernay, red die cut. Christian McCaffrey, Hot Stars, and John Hightower, rookie for the Eagles. Red die cut of Lamar Jackson, and looks like we got another copper. The same box, Jimmy Garoppolo for the Niners. Die cut this time, the copper, and that is also out of 355. CeeDee Lamb rookie. Harrison Bryant rookie for the Browns, die cut red. Drew Brees unbreakable insert, and a Cam Akers rookie. Red die cut of DeAndre Swift and Grant Delpit rookie there at the bottom, along with the turbocharged of Saquon Barkley. And that's it for Mega Box 2. This is Mega Box 3. Last box of the break. Red die cut is Jonathan Taylor. And we got a copper of Darrington Evans here as well. The card, 355 is the numbering. 32 out of 355, so pretty low number, pretty cool. Guessing these boxes with the red prisms might be the only ones with the copper. I did not know that. Austin Jackson, red refractor for the Dolphins. Adam Thielen silver, and another two rookie. So I don't think I've really pulled any coppers from the purple boxes. Jacob Eason. Got a Tom Brady. Look at these two, Tom Brady and Peyton Manning, huh? Unbreakable refractor for Peyton and a red die cut for Tom Brady. Got a CJ Ham, red die cut of Jason Moore, and this is a pretty good hit right here. Chase Claypool, copper die cut for the Steelers. That is a great pull. This is number 95 out of 355 for the Steelers. So great pull there. Antonio Gibson rookie as well. Robbie, to answer your question, I do not have a shop. Something I'd like to do in the future, but kind of trying to build up slowly to that. And this is a step in the process, I guess. Red die cut of Kyler Murray, Patrick Willis silver, and a Jeff Gladney rookie. Jedrick Willis, KJ Hamler red, Joe Montana unbreakable, and another Justin Herbert. Base rookie, this is Premier level. Four more packs to go. Gross Matos rookie. Got Deion Sanders red. Jalen Hurts turbocharged rookie. Excuse me. I feel like I'm about to get a hiccup or something. Not a good time to get that. Chase Young rookie. Got a Tristan Wirfs red die cut. T. Higgins and T. Higgins. Two T. Higgins rookie cards right there. Brian Edwards, Travis Kelce red refractor, Aaron Donald hot stars, and a Jeff Okuda rookie. And here's our last pack. Oh, I think we got an autograph or something. Yep. Autograph is Ray Guy. Not familiar. Is he a punter? That's a pretty cool hit. Need to do more research on this person. Raiders. And yeah, he's a punter. 11 out of 50. Beautiful looking card. So very nice for the Raiders there. Not bad for our last pack. Joshua Kelly, Cole Kmet, and a red Odell Beckham Jr. die cut. Oh wow, only Hall of Fame. This is a pretty sweet card here then. All right, so that wraps things up. Thanks so much for joining. That was a pretty fun break. Getting a few numbered cards and autos. Tons of QB rookies as well. So yeah, pretty balanced break for everyone. So I'm glad there's some good cards for most everyone. If you're new here, check out the website, justdingers.com. Next week we're doing Optic, so 2020 Donruss Optic. I believe 2 megas and 4 blasters is the breakdown, and the mega boxes are Fanatics exclusives. So hopefully there'll be something pretty good in those. Thanks for coming. If this is your first time, I hope you enjoyed it. And we hope to see you later on down the road.